to Barbie's Dream House. Hey.
Oh, Barbie Dream House.
What do you think?
What is that?
Yay!
Look how big it is.
Look how big it is. Okay, you ready? Show them the big Barbie's Dream House.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Wow!
Oh, Barbie Dream House.
What do you think?
What is that?
Yay!
Look how big it is.
Look how big it is. Use the elevator. How cool is this? You got the elevator there.
Yes, there's two.
Yeah.
Wait,
Whee! Into the pool. You got a garage.
We can fill that pool with water.
And you got her bedroom. You got a couch. Mmm.
there's
What do you think, Abby?
cool.
Oh, there she is.
Yeah, ding, 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 ding.
How
And-
cool is this house?
Wait, you didn't check out the kitchen. See what's in the fridge and the oven.
That's the front door.
Big cake
There's cake.
and fan.
There's a frying pan and a kettle.
And look,
Look, there's stuff in the fridge.
I want that
What's in the oven?
cookies.
There's cookies in there. Right, you dropped the cookies. Yeah, go get the new ones.
I'm weighing down. I'll go with this. Ah!
Is she going to sleep?
Yes.
Yep, that's the blanket.
Yep.
Does baby Madeline like this? Oh, we got some new Barbies to play with in the Barbie Dream House.
And look, there's even hangers in her closet.
Oh, look, there's even like a closet to hang up clothes up here.
Thank you, towels.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, chairs. And new hands.
And you got the Barbie mobile.
Here, up the stairs.
Up the stairs.
Yeah, that's the garage.
Only up the stairs. There you go.
There you go.
Hey, look, how cool is that pool?
Hey, I'm going to my shower.
She has to go potty?
Or the shower. Hey, bring that over here, Abby.
Oh, it comes with its own case? How cool is that?
Hey, I want one princess.
Wow.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Can we see her head?
Yeah. Oh, they got all sorts of accessories in here. Wait, oh, you can take it out yet. Yeah, you can get other Barbies, that's right.
I want to open this.
Want to open that? So you got the video maker Barbie?
Well, I got 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Maybe.
Let me share this one. Yep, I'll share all my buddies. I want to do this. Well, I'm gonna have this one for now, and then we can switch. Yeah. Awesome. Awesome.
Hey, you dropped your camera.
Oh.
There you go.
I cut a boat.
Put on share.
Yep, you gotta make her sit.
There we go.
You want to have a catch? Want to have a catch, Barbie?
Yeah.
Yes? All right. Ready? And. Boom. And. Catch! Jeez.
The Barbie isn't a bat.
Barbie did a bat, honey. Let's go down the slide.
Yeah. I'm gonna slide first.
All right, go ahead.
Whee! Mommy,
Yeah, come here.
I want this to dress it to her.
Okay. Look at all those dresses you got. Where are you gonna put those, Abby?
I want this dress. Ah, Josephine. Step back. But wash my hands. Wash my hands. Go shower. I want to put clothes.
Yeah, those right here.
Oh. I want to put our clothes on.
What's that?
This one, Abby. I like it.
What are all those? Look at all those.
Get fish and fish.
Abby, show me the closet. More shoes?
And necklace.
Necklaces? Wow. Gonna show some of those dresses.
Thank you.
All those handbags.
Yeah,
Oh,
the
handbag,
handbag for
Mommy.
each outfit.
Yeah.
Hey, give me that.
Yep, here you go.
It's okay. I mean, I'll help you.